Ever walked into a restaurant, ordered a meal, and wondered how all that information gets from the server's notepad to the kitchen, and then magically appears on your bill? Or maybe you've been to a bustling coffee shop where the barista seems to juggle orders, payments, and inventory with superhuman efficiency. The secret sauce behind these seamless transactions and smooth operations? A powerful point-of-sale system. And today, we're diving deep into one of the key players in this space, Revel Systems. Now, you might be thinking, point-of-sale system? Sounds a bit dry, but trust me, this is way more exciting than it sounds. Think of Revel as the central nervous system for businesses, especially in the restaurant and retail world. It's the brains behind the operation, streamlining everything from taking orders and processing payments to managing inventory and tracking employee performance. In essence, Revel helps businesses run smarter, not harder. So what exactly does Revel Systems do? At its core, Revel provides a cloud-based point-of-sale (POS) platform. That means it's not just a cash register. It's a comprehensive business solution that lives in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This cloud-based architecture is a game-changer because it offers flexibility, scalability, and real-time data access. Imagine being able to check your sales figures from your phone while you're on vacation. That's the power of Revel's cloud platform. But let's break down the specific functionalities that make Revel so powerful. First and foremost, it's a robust point-of-sale system. This means it handles all the essential tasks you'd expect, like taking orders, processing payments, credit cards, debit cards, mobile payments, you name it, generating receipts, and managing discounts and promotions. But Revel goes beyond the basics. It's designed to be highly customizable, adapting to the specific needs of different businesses. Whether you're a small coffee shop or a large multi-location restaurant chain, Revel can be tailored to fit your workflow. One of the standout features of Revel is its focus on speed and efficiency. In the fast-paced world of restaurants and retail, every second counts. Revel's intuitive interface is designed to minimize clicks and maximize throughput. Servers can quickly take orders, modify them with special requests, and send them directly to the kitchen, all without missing a beat. This speed translates to happier customers, faster table turnover, and ultimately, increased revenue. Beyond order management and payments, Revel also excels at inventory management. This is a crucial aspect of any business, especially in the food industry where ingredient tracking and waste reduction are essential. Revel allows businesses to track their inventory in real time, from raw materials to finished products. It can automatically update inventory levels as sales are made, alerting you when items are running low and preventing stockouts. This level of inventory control not only saves time and money but also helps to minimize waste and optimize purchasing decisions. Another key area where Revel shines is employee management. It provides tools for tracking employee hours, managing payroll, and monitoring performance. This helps businesses to optimize staffing levels, identify top performers, and address any performance issues. Revel also offers robust reporting and analytics, giving business owners valuable insights into their operations. You can track sales trends, identify your best-selling items, analyze customer behavior, and much more. This data-driven approach empowers businesses to make informed decisions and improve their bottom line. Revel isn't just a software platform. It's a complete ecosystem. They offer a range of hardware options, including iPads, receipt printers, barcode scanners, and cash drawers, all seamlessly integrated with the software. This ensures a smooth and reliable experience for both staff and customers. They also integrate with a variety of third-party services, such as online ordering platforms, loyalty programs, and accounting software, further extending the functionality of the system. Now, let's talk about the specific industries that Revel caters to. While they serve a wide range of businesses, they are particularly strong in the restaurant and retail sectors. For restaurants, Revel offers features like table management, online ordering integration, and kitchen display systems, KDS. These features help to streamline operations, improve communication between the front and back of house, and enhance the overall dining experience. For retailers, Revel provides tools for managing product catalogs, tracking customer preferences, and running targeted promotions. They also offer features like loyalty programs and gift card management to help retailers build customer relationships and drive repeat business. One of the things that sets Revel apart from some of its competitors is its focus on innovation. They are constantly evolving their platform, adding new features and improving existing ones. This commitment to innovation ensures that businesses using Revel are always at the forefront of technology. They also offer excellent customer support, providing businesses with the help they need to get the most out of the system. So, to recap, Revel Systems provides a comprehensive, cloud-based point-of-sale platform that empowers businesses to run more efficiently and effectively. It's more than just a cash register. It's a complete business solution that handles everything from order management and payments to inventory control and employee management. It's designed to be flexible, scalable, and customizable, adapting to the specific needs of different businesses, particularly in the restaurant and retail industries. And with its focus on innovation and customer support, Revel is a partner that businesses can rely on for long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.